Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
The adjective. Kinds of adjectives. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. It describes a noun. Kinds of adjectives. You already know that adjectives that answer the question, what kind, are called adjectives of quality. Brown dog, silk shirt, beautiful flower, honest man, big city, cloudy day. Now study these sentences. He wants some money. He ate the whole cake. He spent all the money. He did not eat any bread. The adjectives some, whole, all, or any tell us how much of a thing is intended. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quantity. They answer the question, how much?
Give the opposites of the words given in color. Stale food, stale, fresh. A foolish man, foolish, wise. A shallow pit, shallow, deep. An united room, unitidy, tidy. A rich man, rich, poor. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the help box. We are looking at dash pictures in the family album. Our. Whose bag is this? Is it yours? The twins are carrying dash bags. There. Ram is keeping dash books on the shelf. Mary is cleaning dash cupboard. Is her. This is not dash shed. Take it back to dash owner. My. It's.
The adverb. Kinds of adverbs. Remember, you learnt in class 3 what an adverb is. Let us quickly revise first. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done, and where it is done. Examples: the birds sang sweetly. How? Hari came yesterday. When? The sun shines everywhere. Where? Adverbs of manner. Look at these pictures and read loudly the sentences given after them. She behaved foolishly. The old man walked slowly. She ran fast. The boys rode well. The soldiers fought bravely. She writes neatly. All the adverbs in the above sentences, foolishly, slowly, fast, well, bravely, and neatly, tell us how or the manner in which an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question how. Remember, all adverbs of manner do not end in ly. Example, past, well. Adverbs of place. Read aloud these sentences. The boys are waiting outside. We look for her everywhere. He lives here. The bus stops there. My brother has gone out. The boys ran forward. The adverbs outside, everywhere, here, there, out and forward tell us where an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of place. They answer the questions where. Adverbs of time. Some adverbs tell us the time or when an action is done. Read aloud these sentences. He will come today. She wrote to me yesterday. The school will open tomorrow. He came here daily. She left early. She will come presently. The doctor is coming immediately. All the adverbs today, yesterday, tomorrow, daily, presently, immediately show when an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of time. Adverbs of time answer the question when. Adverbs of number. Learn. Some adverbs show how often an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of number. They answer the question how often. Read these examples loudly. Twice the boy struck him. You are always late. We often went to the cinema. We seldom come here. She visited us once. Adverbs of degree. Some adverbs show how much or to what extent a thing is done. They are called adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree answer the question how much. These examples will tell you clearly. He was very tired. He was quite worn out. He was nearly exhausted. He is entirely deaf. He was somewhat pleased. Note, all the adverbs in the sentences you read just now added something to the meaning of the verbs tired, worn out, exhausted, pleased and deaf. Now notice how the same adverbs can add something to the meaning of an adjective. They are also called adverbs of degree. He is quite strong. Her face is very beautiful. Your face is extremely red. She was almost angry. The glass is nearly full. The words strong, beautiful, red, angry and full are adjectives, and the adverbs quite, very, extremely, almost and nearly add something to their meaning.
Pick and drop adverbs of manners into the bag given here. Rattan spoke rudely to the piano. Rudely. The teacher reprimanded the students sternly. The crowd shouted angrily. It is raining heavily. Behave properly. Polly the pet parrot screamed shrilly. Renu and Rima laughed delicately. Little Binku faces the danger bravely. Ravina speaks very clearly. The stars twinkled brightly. Supply adverbs for the words written in italics in the sentence. Sometimes he speaks not very wisely, foolishly. 2 times he reminded her, yet she forgot. Twice. The player is in every way exaggerated. Nearly. Our school won the trophy without difficulty. Easily. She is coming here without losing time. Immediately. He ran but not very fast. Slowly. Have they at any time donated blood? Ever. Now and again he spoke. Sometimes. The program ended in a short time. Soon. The baby took his first steps without any difficulty. Easily. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.